Yo, this is how you make garlic fried rice. Woo! Everybody. All right, so today we're making garlic fried rice
with garlic and also Chinese chives or garlic chives. What do you guys call this?
Buchu. But anyway, so we decided to make this because
we found some leftover rice, and it's like perfect. Look at it. It's dried. It's crusty. It's dusty. It's ready. It's ready to be a fried rice.
So simple too, because once you have rice, chives, and garlic, it's so easy to find.
And then it's a perfect breakfast. So chop the chives. I'll do the garlic. Beautiful.
So when did you start cooking?
I have been cooking professionally, probably 12, 13, 14 years.
Oh, you started cooking professionally when you were 12?
No, for 12 years. No. I always I would know how to do things like I poached eggs in a microwave when I was 8 years old or 6 years old and stuff like that.
So you were into cooking?
I was into it. I think more importantly, I was just never afraid of the kitchen. And so it was never anything like, there are some people that fear stops them from cooking. I didn't mind. Even when I was just a beginning bad cook, just doing stuff in my dorm room or with my roommates in college and stuff, I would make food in our house all the time. More importantly than either of the soy sauces are great for fried rice, but I also just really like sometimes using salt and MSG.
Ooh. What you think about MSG? What about all the people, man,
I mean, they could shut up.
Yeah, shut up. Yeah, so my parents never really wanted me to cook, because, what hard immigrants do. They wanted me to be a doctor.
I think it really just boils down to the fact that they don't want you to have a hard life. And they also have but they also at the same time don't really have a concept on the opportunities that you have here in comparison with what they had back at home. So no superstar chefs when they grew up.
Yeah, exactly.
In Korea. Is that where they were? Or Hong Kong.
In Asian culture, it's
they don't have that.
It's better to be a restaurant owner. It's hi, the chef. Someone's gonna steal him.
Landlord.
Yeah, exactly.
Landlord.
I think we're done with prep, right? No, eggs.
I'll crack some eggs in there.
All right, so now everything's ready. We got the garlic ready right here. Boom, chives. That's really it. And then I just chopped up some kimchi just for some side dish, just to eat off. You got the yum yum sauce right here.
Dim Sum. What's up, Dim Sum? We got your yum yum right here.
Yeah, we're good, right? We can move.
Yeah. We can move. We just don't have tables. That's why
they told us they're gonna get us chairs, but we said nah. Our ancestors will be mad. Ooh.
Yeah.
Woo. Let's go.
So, first thing, I pre-season when I do any kind of stir fry. Pre-seasoning pretty much is getting rid of any kind of excess moisture from condensation from your wok. So a little bit of oil first, and then a little bit of heat. That will make it truly nonstick.
Yeah.
So that way, now it's a nonstick wok. This is also, I will say, a beautiful wok.
Honestly, I was like, yo, let's just do it in a pan. And he's like, no, it's fried rice. We need to do it on a wok.
We do. Takes a little bit of getting used to, but it's fine.
Let's go. Woo. Got some leftover rice from yesterday.
Thank you. Wash your hands. Thank you.
You have to cook your rice separately because you don't want to throw the egg into the rice. Now that's a wet ass fried rice. You don't want that. The whole point is to have it all dry separately. Ooh. Let's go. I like how it's getting mixed in like an omelet. Some salt.
MSG.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, the cookie.
That good. Let's go. Woo! Throwing that right in.
Open.
It's
and can you pop open?
Yeah.
Woo.
At the restaurant, we gotta do the little.
You have to do your.
Woo.
It's hot.
See what he did? When you gotta flip it, you gotta have it like this. Then you flip it over instead of flipping like this, and the rice will be everywhere. So this is the money shot right here. Woo. Look at that. Moment of truth. Let's go. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
Let's go. Can I tell you something interesting? I'm actually allergic to garlic.
Huh?
I'm allergic to garlic.
What? There's
I didn't
so
wanna
much
tell you,
garlic
I
in
know.
this.
But it's not bad, so I just get the runs.
Oh.
But usually it's like the raw garlic, you know, like, but we'll be alright.
That is wild. How did you survive as an Asian person? Does anybody want some fried rice?
Right, please. Oh, you got it? You got everybody. Woo-wee. I love how everybody.
Why is every-
Oh my god. This. Whoa. Woo-wee. John, thank you so much for clicking with me. I really appreciate it. Honestly, I wanted to ask him so many questions today, but it got so hectic. Everybody
We'll get
jumping
more in.
in,
We'll do like a Zoom call or
But
something.
the fact that we got to hang out today, I love it. We'll connect
Amazing.
more. Finally got to meet, so we're out here. Thank you for everything you do for the culture and the food scene and everything.
Thank you. Same to
And
you.
running all sexy every day in every different city. Let's go.